In this video, I want to talk about how to get into a state of ketosis without necessarily following a strict ketogenic diet. Hello everybody, my name is Mike Cola and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's talk about this ketogenic diet. I know it's a real popular diet. I actually do like the diet. I think there's a lot of great health benefits to following a strict ketogenic diet, and it is a great way to lose body fat. But it is very difficult, eating a 90% fat diet and eating maybe only like 6-7% protein and just eating like 2-3% carbohydrates. And in my opinion, you can benefit from a modified version of a ketogenic diet, and I think you can do incredibly well. And it's kind of more of a diet that I follow. Okay, pretty much my macronutrient ratio, which keeps my body fat hovering around 10% all year round, and it keeps me working out like hard in the gym and you know, just keeping me very, very active. It's probably 60% healthy fats, 20% protein, 20% carbs. And I pretty much wake up in a state of ketosis every single day. And let me explain to you how I do it. I use, intermittent fasting, and I use time-restricted eating to put me in states of ketosis while still allowing me to have, 20% carbohydrates and 20% fats in my diet. First, I'm going to link up a video I did on how to ease into intermittent fasting. It really explains how I think you should ease into this time-restricted eating and maybe go in and out of ketosis. But let's briefly cover a great protocol that I think you can follow where you can benefit from all the fat burning and health benefits of ketosis without being too strict, like a modified ketogenic diet. So this is what I would do. First thing I would do is for a week or so, I just would reduce how many carbohydrates you're eating in general. You want to get your body used to not burning carbohydrates as a fuel, and you want to get your body burning more fat as a fuel. So for example, say you're eating 200, 300, 400 grams of carbohydrates a day, I would start reducing that. Try to get down to anywhere between 100 to 200 grams of 200 max grams of carbohydrates, maybe for your first week. And then your second week, depending upon your activity level, see if you can get down to about 100 grams of carbohydrates a day. Obviously, if you're a petite woman, you may want to go more than that. You may want to get down to maybe 75, 50. If you're a big guy, 100, 150. Say, anywhere between 400 to 600 calories in the form of carbohydrates. Okay, that's the first thing I would do over the first week or two. The next thing I would do is that I would start experimenting with intermittent fasting. I think that one of the best ways of doing that is pretty much just skipping breakfast. When you skip breakfast, you're just pretty much limiting your eating window. For example, if you're eating only between the hours of 12 in the afternoon and say 8 in the evening, you're going 12, 14 hours without any food, your body is going to produce ketones. Okay, now pretty much how the body gets into a state of ketosis is when your muscles and liver are very low with carbohydrates, very low with glycogen. When you eat carbohydrates, they're stored in the form of glycogen in your muscles and your liver. When they get relatively low, the body starts producing ketones, like the liver converts fat into ketones, and then your brain starts burning ketones, and then your muscles start burning fat. It's a great optimal state to actually burn fat. So you don't really have to follow an extremely strict ketogenic diet to benefit from being into ketosis. Like, you don't have to be in ketosis all day long. If you skip breakfast and eat a relatively moderate to low carbohydrate diet, you can be in ketosis, say 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day. And I think you'll reap incredible benefits. You can almost get all the benefits of a ketogenic diet while still eating adequate amount of protein and adequate amounts of carbohydrates. I think this is an ideal thing to do if you're really a very active, fit person and you really, you just want to burn some body fat for half the day and still have energy and feel great for your workouts. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I put videos like this every single week. And if you have any questions about ketosis or the different ketones like beta-hydroxybutyrate, acetone, just drop me, make a comment, drop me an email, and I'll try to help you out right away. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.